Download and install Visual Studio Community IDE. Open your web browser, search for Visual Studio Community Edition, go to Download link, click Download button, downloading will start. Double-click on the Download exe file, and the downloading process will start. Click Continue. Visual Studio Installer will start to download all components and install them. This step will take a long time depending on your device and internet speed. For me, I have already downloaded and installed Visual Studio Community to save time. After finishing the installation, you can modify workloads, which you can choose whatever you want depending on your type of work. Let's check everything you need. Make sure to choose Install while downloading to make the process faster. Then click on it. This will take a while. When you finish installing everything, you can now launch the IDE. That's it. Visual Studio Community is now on your computer and ready to use.